Let's clarify Cash App names. You have a display name that's visible to others and a unique cash tag. The display name is what others see when you send or receive money. Your cash tag is a unique identifier used for quick transfers. The crucial point: as of late 2024, early 2025, you can change your display name, but you cannot change your dollar cash tag. Begin by opening the Cash App on your mobile device. Next, locate and tap the circular profile icon, usually a photo or silhouette, in the top right corner of the app. In the menu that appears, select Personal to access your account details. Look for the Display Name field in your personal settings and tap on it to edit. Enter your new display name in the text field. Feel free to include spaces, emojis, or special characters for personalization. Finally, tap the Save button to apply your new display name. Remember, changes take effect immediately, but you can only update your display name once every 30 days to prevent misuse. The cash tag is designed to be a permanent identifier, similar to a username on social media platforms. This design choice is primarily for security reasons, ensuring that your financial identity remains consistent and protected. It prevents confusion and impersonation by ensuring that people can always send money to you using the same identifier. Once created, the cash tag is permanently linked to your account and cannot be changed. This permanence is a deliberate design choice by Cash App, prioritizing security and user trust over flexibility. It's tempting to create a new Cash App account just to get a different cash tag that better suits your style or brand. However, creating multiple accounts violates Cash App's terms of service and community guidelines. The main risk is getting your accounts banned. Cash App can detect multiple accounts linked to the same person and may close them permanently. Cash App has robust anti-fraud measures in place, including identity verification and pattern detection algorithms that can flag multiple account creation attempts. Instead of risking bans, stick with the cash tag you have. You can always use your customizable display name to represent yourself in a more personal way. Cash App has improved its privacy settings to give you more control over your display name visibility. You can adjust who sees your name in public profiles and search results, which is helpful if you want increased anonymity. This lets you decide whether your display name appears when others search for you on the platform. Explore the privacy settings in your Cash App profile to customize these visibility options. In the app, navigate to your profile settings, where you can find privacy controls. Your display name settings are part of your profile customization options. These settings help protect your privacy while using Cash App for payments and transactions. Payment apps are seeing a growing trend toward user customization. As digital wallets become more integrated into daily life, users demand more control over their profiles and identities. This includes flexible display names, avatars, and privacy settings that allow personalization while maintaining security. Competitors like Venmo provide greater flexibility in naming. Users can update their usernames and display names without restrictions, which has become a standard expectation. This puts pressure on platforms like Cash App to consider similar features while balancing security and uniqueness. Cash App maintains that cash tags are permanent to ensure security and prevent fraud. This policy helps avoid impersonation and maintains transactional integrity. While some users request changes, the platform prioritizes safety over flexibility, especially under current financial regulations. Looking ahead, Cash App may introduce minor enhancements like AI-powered suggestions for display names tailored to user habits. As digital wallet adoption reaches 80% by 2025, expect growing pressure for more user control. Privacy-focused features and potential Web3 integrations could provide new ways to customize profiles while respecting security constraints. High-profile users like influencer MrBeast have encountered significant problems with their unchangeable cash tags. Despite his growing fame, his early MrBeast cash tag couldn't be modified, leading to impersonation by scammers who created fake accounts to deceive fans and cause financial harm. On the other hand, display name changes have been misused by some users who repeatedly updated their names to include offensive or inappropriate content. These violations of community guidelines triggered reports, resulting in temporary account bans and highlighting the need for the 30-day change restriction. These real-world examples illustrate the trade-offs in Cash App's naming policies. While unchangeable cash tags enhance security and prevent fraud, they create challenges for high-profile users. Meanwhile, display name flexibility allows personalization but can lead to abuse, necessitating moderation measures. Tech analysts have different viewpoints on Cash App's naming policies. Some see the cash tag immutability as a security advantage. Others argue it limits user control. Surveys show a significant percentage of users value customizable display names for personalization, but fewer seek cash tag changes. Fraud incidents related to name spoofing have decreased due to recent privacy updates.